The brand sent me this R1 digital voice recorder with playback for me to test out. Right off the bat, I love the clean packaging. It also has a bit of weight to it. This recorder has a 3.69-inch high-definition touchscreen. While it has some buttons on the side, it really is predominantly a touchscreen device. The side buttons are mostly for some basic controls like volume, immediate recording, and power. This feels so durable. The second you hold it, you can feel that it's a good product. Now, opening it right out of the package, you will get an on-screen walkthrough of the entire device. By tapping at the bottom, you go to the next set of instructions, and that will happen whenever you go into a specific function for the first time. The R1 has dual microphones. One of them has higher sensitivity, while the other one has lower sensitivity. It even has intelligent noise reduction technology, and combined, that provides a high-quality recording experience. Because of this, you're able to record clearly in meetings, lecture halls, boardrooms, and so much more, and don't have to be so close to the speaker. You're able to set up scheduled recordings and automatic recordings just to make life simpler. Just make sure your clock is accurate. When you're recording something, you can easily name it and store it in a specific folder, which makes finding important recordings useful and keeps you organized. I really like the keyboard that pops up. Of note here, there's no back and forth between phones and the device. Everything is done from this device. My favorite aspect of this device is the speech-to-text display. Sometimes we just can't listen to our recordings, and reading is a much better option. Make sure you have that enabled in settings, and you'll be surprised how accurate and functional that option is. The external SD card is the main storage medium for this device. I like that personally because that means I don't need to be connected to the internet to access my recordings. You could also back up your recordings so you don't lose anything. This device has a built-in 1100 mAh lithium battery. What this allows is for long recordings without charging the device as frequently. For me, that's a huge bonus. So now I want to record my voice as I am talking to you to see how well it works and how easy it is to use. It is recording as we speak, and we will do a playback in just a moment so you could hear it for yourself.
So now I want to record my voice as I am talking to see how well it works and how easy it is to use. It is recording as we speak, and we will do a playback in just a moment so you can hear it for yourself.
You saw how easy that was for me to set up and use. If you followed the speech to text, then you also saw how accurate that was. This is an ideal recorder. I have tried a few, and you are getting what you pay for here. The sleek design itself is a conversation starter, and my favorite part is the speech to text component.